Hello and welcome to a third episode about CryptoPandas. So if you haven't seen the previous videos, CryptoPandas is a library that allows you to effortlessly work with CCXT and Pandas DataFrame. It allows you to query any crypto exchange data into a Pandas DataFrame in one line of code, as well as send orders directly from a Pandas DataFrame. Now, CryptoPandas is also more powerful than that. It also extends the async capabilities of CCXT, which means you can query thousands of symbols and endpoints in one line of code and get that data into a Pandas DataFrame. Now, we're going to be looking at this async example where we're going to query the open, high, low, close data for 1,000 symbols on Binance. Now, in this example, we will be using the async CCXT Pandas Exchange class rather than the standard CCXT Pandas Exchange class. We need to initialize a Binance exchange from CCXT Pro, not the normal CCXT. Once we have initialized this exchange and Pandas exchange, we can go on to query our data. We first load the data frame of available symbols using the load markets function in an await statement. Once we have our symbols, we only take the first 1,000 symbols and we go to query our open, high, low, close data. To do this, we create a list of tasks which will fetch our symbol data, and we put it all together into an async queue. And once we are finished with this, we can concatenate our results into a single Pandas data frame rather than 1,000 Pandas data frame. Now, to run this example, we need to do it inside of an IDE like PyCharm, since Jupyter notebooks do not support async requests. So as we can see here, we have the same example, and we can run our example. We get here a Pandas data frame of the 1,000 symbols that we will be querying. And so this takes usually somewhere between 20 to 30 seconds. There we go. In 40 seconds, we have received our open, high, low, close volume data for our 1,000 symbols. We now have a data frame with 1,000,000 rows and our 7 columns. Now, 1,000 requests in 40 seconds is very quickly, and the best part is that there is no need to parse our data anymore into a Pandas data frame. We can go straight to work doing our data analysis and algorithmic trading, since our data has been parsed for us into a Pandas data frame. Now, as you can see, this is a very cool feature because now we can get a lot of data and get it cleanly and go straight to work. So that means that we have fast data retrieval and fast software development. Now, we hope you find this feature useful, and in a future video, we will be looking at how you can be using WebSockets. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know below, and don't forget to check out our GitHub and our examples in Binder. Thank you for listening.